Hello, Mama. Before we begin, I want you to know why I made this channel. I made this channel for moms who love their kids deeply but feel mentally tired. My purpose is to help you calm your mind, come back to yourself, and feel steady again. Today is a soft reset because sometimes even a compliment can feel heavy. Settle if you can't. Sit comfortably. Unclench your jaw, drop your shoulder, let your hands rest open. Inhale gently through your nose and exhale longer than you inhale. Again, inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, and exhale. Release the pressure. That sentence people love to say. Motherhood is the most important job in the world. Can sound like a praise, but it also can feel like a weight. Because when you're told you're doing the most important job, it can quietly turn into be perfect, be grateful, be patient, or be available, be selfless all the time. And that is not love. That is pressure wearing a pretty outfit. So right now, we are stepping down from the pedestal, not because motherhood isn't meaningful, but because you are not meant to disappear inside it. Breathe, inhale, and on the exhale, soften your forehead. Inhale. Exhale. Let your body feel the difference between devotion and depletion. You are allowed to be devoted mother and still be a full human being. You are allowed to want rest. You are allowed to want space. And you are allowed to want your own money. You are allowed to want your future self to exist. None of that make you selfish. It make you real. Now, imagine taking every expectation that was placed on you and placing it on the floor in front of you. Perfect patience, perfect gratitude, perfect selflessness, always strong, always available, always okay. Set it down. Set it down. can still be a good mother without carrying all of that. Trust me. Now, I'm going to give you a few sentences and say them in your mind or whisper them if you can. I'm a mother. And I'm a person. My needs do not compete with my child's need. Rest is part of love. Support is not a luxury. I do not need to disappear to be a good mother. I can love deeply and still expand. Inhale deeply and exhale longer. Come back to the body. Feel your feet. Feel the chair under you. Feel your breath moving in and out. If your mind drifts to the to-do list, that's okay. Just come back. No scolding, no fixing. If you want to journal after this, here is one question for you. When I hear that sentence, motherhood is the most important job in the world, do I feel honored or do I feel pressured? And if you could replace it with a better sentence, what would you say instead? Take one more slow breath. Mama, you are not failing. You are carrying what was never meant to be carried alone. I'm glad you are here today. I hope all this can help you to feel calm. If you want, leave a comment with your replacement sentence. I'll read them and it helps other moms too. Thank you. See you in the next video.